What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for some trade recaps. So today, it's looking like it's going to be basically a break-even day, maybe down a little bit on commissions. So I had a few trades today. One of them was a really nice short. So OCGN was a failed. I think this was a failed short. I'm not sure. Yeah. So OCGN was a failed short here. I think it started to break down below the VWAP, and I was kind of thinking that we might just get a sell-off after this kind of push down, but unfortunately it didn't continue to sell off. So that was kind of a bit of a FOMO trade. I think it's because I missed another trade prior to that. So that and LEDS was my other trade that I lost on. So this was a long, kind of anticipating this ascending support to kind of continue, and it kind of did, but it really was way too choppy, and it felt like it was going to sell off, so I didn't want to hold through that move. It probably would have actually been good to just hold that through that move. It would have gave me a nice move up to 950, but unfortunately I just, I didn't want it to do what it did here and just sell off. So I took a small loss on that. So OCGN and LEDS are my two losing trades today. I had a really nice short on IHT, and right now I'm actually shorting SKLZ. So my SKLZ short, I'm in at like 1604 or something like that for the most of my shares. It's been chopping me around all day, so I'll talk about that one in a minute. But the IHT short was a really nice short, actually. This 520 was heavy resistance. If you go look at like the overall chart, this $5 level is hard resistance. So when it popped up into that level, I was shorting into the 510s, and then looking to cover this thing as it dropped, and then I got right back in again and covered it again. So this was actually, like, honestly, I kind of wish I would have taken larger size. Now there's a 300% margin rate with IHT, so I can't take as big of a share size as I would really like to take in this trade. So unfortunately I wasn't able to take a bigger share size in IHT. So it was like a $50 winner. So these couple trades ended up all averaging out to be about a $50 winner. So wasn't bad, especially because I only had like 60 shares, I think. So about like $400 or something, $500 that I put in. Anyway, it's not a big deal, but it was about a $40 winner. Basically just canceled out my two losing trades on OCGN and LEDS. So basically break even. I lost about 25 on the OCGN. And yeah, about $10 on that LEDs. So that put me down about 30, up about, maybe 10 after that. But I did take another. I think I took another trade and lost on it too, because I'm thinking now what did I take another trade on? Oh, ears. Right. So, and this was kind of sad because I was kind of right on this move, and I feel like kind of an idiot on this move because I was really right. I was just too early, and I got wicked out, and then I didn't get back in once it kind of hit its top there. So this was probably my biggest loser of the day. This was about a $20 hit. So that's why I was down about 10 after. And then I got it back with the IHT trade. Down about 50, sorry. And then I got it all back kind of with the IHT trade. Yeah, it just sucks because honestly, this is exactly what I was hoping for and exactly what it ended up doing. Would have still been a nice short to the 382s here. I wish I would have got back in, but unfortunately I kind of started to look at other things and didn't want to keep getting kind of chopped out. So unfortunately that happened. Skills now breaking 16. Man, this skills trade is just, honestly, it has been a complete pain in my butt. So it looks like after I close this trade out, I think I'm still up green on the day, barely, and after commissions I'll probably be down. But in terms of actual trading, like, I'm up every day green this week, so 5 green days in a row is good. Take your profit, right? That's probably why I'm just going to close this trade out pretty quickly, because it does look like it's forming this kind of ascending support level here, and this descending line that I was kind of trading off of has now been broken. So it really looks like it's trying to reverse. I was kind of hoping for a reversal there, but you see it here up to my break-even price. So I'm going to cover that short, and I'm going to be all out of that for the day. Yeah, I might have taken a small loss on it even. I don't even know. But either way, up about $2 on the day after commissions. Like I said, I'm probably down like $10 on the day. But either way, it's not a bad. It's basically a break-even day after I'm up about $250 on the week. You know, it's been a really good week, green week, so we're going to keep it there. We're not going to risk too much today. Like I said, it's still green, but after commissions we're red. But still, green is good. 5 green days in a row is even better. So we'll come back next week and we'll see how we do. Today was just chop fest. Like I said, ears would have been a nice trade if I would have got it in on the right. You know, and even this skills, like, it worked out. It's just I didn't cover into this 575 drop because I figured it would break this drop. But if I covered all my shares into this 1575, it would have been a decent $20-$30 winner, right? Unfortunately, I covered a little bit, but I was hoping it would break lower. Never did. So that's that. That'll be my trades for today, and I'll come back on Monday, and hopefully we get some better trades. So anyway, that's that for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know how you guys did today, if you guys are up or down. You know, obviously, like I said, break even for me, but it's better than red. That's all I gotta say. Oh, and I was down like $28 at some point today, off of like one. I think it might have even been the ears trade. I was down like 28. So when you actually take into consideration how much I was down, I'm actually probably like up from my lows today about $40-$50, right? Even with that IHT, like if you take all my losers and you take all my winners, right? Like I was probably down about $50-$60 and I made it all back. So it's one way to look at it, right? Still break even on the day, but I could have been down $40 today or something, right? So, and I was down like close to that. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and hopefully you guys had a great trading week, and hopefully you guys have a great weekend.